big gun, Nick. Hey, Mikey, we're here doing a front brake job. We're going to take these hubs off to be able to get the rotor off and the caliper off, so here we go.
What are you working on, Brandon?
Chevy Van 3500. Sometimes it's a painful process, but a necessary.
What's the next step, Brandon?
I'll try to beat it off, or might have to heat it.
Awesome.
And there we are.
Let's go.
See how it's separating there, Mike? Separating right in there.
See it moving now. There we go.
And that's that. We'll pinch off this line here so the brake fluid don't flow all over the floor.
Okay.
I'll take this bolt off here, and then I'm going to take the whole assembly off. We'll have a little fluid probably dribble out, not much.
Yep.
They may fight us, Mikey, but they don't beat us.
Never here. Beautiful.
There we go. We're starting to win now, Mike.
So, Brandon, tell me what we just did and what we're about to do.
Well, we took the hub off so we could get the rotor off. I just took off. I took the caliper off. We're replacing calipers, pads, rotors, the whole nine here. So
Awesome.
now we're at the point where we get the new parts and we start to go back together. All right, Mikey, here's the next segment. We're ready to go back together. First, we start by putting this rotor on. Put that in place. Then we're going to take apart our caliper here, put our new caliper on.
And this is a hydraulic braking system with 4 disc brakes.
Yes, sir. Now we're taking this caliper off because we need the bracket to go on there. This part of the caliper to the side for now. But first, our pad slide bracket's in place. And these bolts are what your pads slide on. I'm going to mount her up. Got those started by hand, so what we'll do now is put it on a swivel and put them back on. Caliper bracket back on. Now what we do, Mikey, is we're going to take our pads, slide them in place. They all have warnings on them. Push your rotor flush. Okay, that pad's in. We'll work the back pad. Okay, now we're at the point where I like to put a little brake grease on so we don't have no squeaking. Alright, now we're going to put our caliper back on. Grab our caliper bolts. Slide that over. So we're putting our line back on. So we need these little brass things so we don't leak. Bolt in, make sure it's cleaned off. We got no dirt in it or anything. Put the line back on. Tighten it up gingerly. You don't gotta go crazy with these because you got those brass bushings. Basically, you're just sealing up so the brake fluid don't leak. Done, you're going to take your vice grips off so the fluid can flow down into the caliper. So what this is called is gravity bleed. It's going to crack this bleeder so the fluid comes down, comes into the caliper, it starts to come out, and then we'll conventional bleed after that and make sure we're all good. Okay, so now we're at the point where we put the hub back together. As I like to think about the next guy doing the job. So I put a little bit of anti-seize on the bolt. So the next guy that goes to do this doesn't fight so hard. We'll just start putting these on, and then we'll tighten them just like we do a tire, cross padding. So I'm going to start here, and then I'm going to move down to here so they pull in even. So if you take the camera, Mike, and look over here, you can start to see the fluid come out of the caliper there. So that's what we call gravity bleeding. So now we just take that, we'll seal up that. So now we got fluid into the caliper, so when we go to bleed it, it makes the process a little easier. Now what I'm going to do, Mike, is I'm going to go around, all the way around, no cross padding. Just make sure everything's tight. Because safety first. At this point, the front left side is complete, and that's how you do a brake job on a 3500 Chevy there.